in grade 1. I am Akshara. I am studying in grade 1. I am going to say slokas.
When you get up in the morning, you have to say
Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhe Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindaha, Prabhate Karadarshanam.
when you get down from the bed, you have to say
Samudravasane Devi, Parvatastana Mandale, Vishnupatni Namasubhyam, Padasparsham Shanasvame.
while bathing.
Gange Yamune Chaiva, Godavari Saraswati, Namade Sindhu Kaveri, Jalesmi Sannidhim Kuru.
While praying Lord Ganesha.
Vakrasunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Gurme Deva, Sarvakaryesu Sarvada.
While praying Lord Sun.
Adideva Namasubhyam, Prasida